Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I make videos on hair as well as makeup, and today's video is going to be on how I take down my braidless crochet braid. I made this hair about 8 days ago, and it was looking very bad because the gel was flaking, and I wanted to take it down, and I wanted to record it and show you guys how I took it down. I did a video on how I put it on. I wanted to let you guys know on how to safely take it down without damaging your own hair or pulling your own hair out. So what I did, I work in section. I cut out the extension, the crochet extension. I make sure that I did not cut out my hair, and yeah, I cut out the crochet extension. Then I went and pulled the loop and gently, and yeah, that is what I did to all the hair. And yeah guys, if you were expecting that I cut my own hair, no, I didn't cut my own hair. I cut the extension on my hair, and yeah, that is what I did. And yeah, I hope you guys love this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and come back for more to my channel. So that's all about it guys today. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. It's Body baby oh. Body baby oh. Na 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 na. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate oh. Make we celebrate oh. To make you dance dance and make you move move. Make you dance dance and make you move move. Ibadi elulu gangan oh. Ibadi elulu jeje. Ibadi elulu gangan oh. Ibadi elulu jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby oh. Alright, fella so hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go power like Gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go power like Gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah.